What's up, Desirée gang? How y'all been? Y'all missed me? Listen, today I'm doing my own sew-in and it was crazy. But this hair though, it was worth it. Okay, let's get into it. This was crazy, y'all. I was doing this all night. When I say all night, I mean like from 11 p.m. to like 6 a.m. or something. Like my arms were on fire. If you follow me on Twitter, you know this was a struggle, but everyone knows I'm not a wig girl. I don't really like the way wigs look on me. Maybe it's because, I don't know, I have a really small head and wigs just look wiggy on me. So I usually wear clip-ins, but this time I wanted to try something different because I wanted a hairstyle that will last and that I don't have to keep touching up constantly like clip-ins. Clip-ins are very high maintenance. So I was like, I'm going to do my own sew-in. I'm going to see if I can do it. If it's an epic fail, fine, I'll go get it done. But I just wanted to see if I could do it. And honestly, I can do anything. So I did it, but the process was crazy. Okay, so before we get into the process, I want to give a big shout out to Charmanty, who sponsored this hair video. They provided me with 4 bundles of 28 inches. And they also gave me all this cute extra stuff, like an edge control brush and everything. Their box is so cute. It came with hair care instructions, and their bundles are so amazing. I love that the wefts aren't so thick and bulky, so I was able to do a really flat sew-in at the end of the day. And yeah, let's get into the process, y'all, because it was crazy. At this point, I was getting the hang of it. I was doing what they call what do they call it? Like when you make a knot through each one, child. I don't even know what they call it, but that's what I was doing just because I wanted this to be really secure. Usually that would be very time consuming, but it wasn't because, like I said, these wefts were not thick. It wasn't really hard to get them through. I wasn't going under the weft either. I was going through the weft because, these wefts were really, really easy to work with. Like, they made my job way easier, I must say. So here I'm actually starting to cut the wefts because I'm getting closer to the top and I want it to be flat. Up until this point, I was only folding them. I was doing the folding method, but now we're cutting. So this is very time consuming. I'm happy it's gonna last. It better last because, child, with this needle and thread and having to do this, it was so much. Like, wow, this is crazy. I can't even believe I did this. But when I'm determined to do something, I gotta do it. It's like, I have to do it. So here is me doing the needle and thread for the next weft. Ciao. So here's me doing it. This is gonna be like the third to last track. Like I said, I really, really, really wanted to prioritize making sure the sewing is flat because after all this work, I'll be damned if it's a bulky sewing, y'all. Come on now. So, okay. This is just me finally looking like I'm seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. Finally getting to, just closer to the end of this. My arms are on fire, but, adrenaline keeps me going. The adrenaline of just wanting to get this done and wanting to look cute at the end of it. Here's another great thing about this hair company. They are very generous with how much hair they put on each bundle because I am only just now starting my 3rd bundle and I only have 1 or 2 tracks left. So I did all the way up until this point with only 2 bundles. So I'm opening my 3rd bundle. I didn't even want to have to open my 3rd bundle because I'm like, I feel like I can do this with 2. So here I am, halfway done with my last track. Oh my gosh. I was so excited, even though you can't tell. I was so freaking happy. My arms were on fire, like I said. I had to get really close up, y'all, to make sure that I'm doing it as flat as possible. Here I am. Oh my gosh, I'm done. I'm showing how beautiful these bundles are. Like, the body wave is so pretty. And I'm showing The top is flat. Oh my God. And this was the next day. I finally wore it out and I was just so excited because I'm like, oh my gosh, I have a hairstyle that's gonna last. These bundles are really high quality. I believe that they will last. This is actually its natural texture. I didn't even cut it. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't manipulate it in any way. This is the body wave texture and it's so pretty. Link in my bio if you want to purchase these bundles. I totally recommend. 10 out of 10. And if you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, leave a comment and let me know. I will see you guys next time. Peace. Staring at my body, I wanna take you home. We should just leave this party. One time only. One time only.
Make me tell you this, girl. I know little boy, your big man, I touch you. They get your out and your legs them open. Girl, you never ready for the problem, yeah. That's why you start give me trouble.